Hi everyone, my name is Adam Crane and welcome to my course, the Alteryx Developer Tools Playbook. I am the head of Analytics Practices and Enablement here at Pluralsight. Alteryx is one of the world's most capable analytics tools and is consistently ranked as a leader in Gartner's Magic Quadrant for data science and machine learning platforms. I like to describe Alteryx as a data Swiss Army knife for analytics engineers, data scientists, and data analysts. In this course, you will learn about the developer tool palette in Alteryx Designer with 22 hands-on demonstrations on how to configure and utilize each tool. Some of the major topics we will cover include exploring the dynamic tools and validation and testing tools to design efficient workflows in Alteryx, discovering how to work with API tools to download and parse web data, including APIs and web scraping. And then, you'll learn how to use scripting tools, including Python and R, to make the most of your own code. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge of the developer Alteryx tools that are needed to create workflows to transform your data for meaningful analysis. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the Alteryx Designer user interface, and you should have taken the Alteryx Fundamental Tools Playbook course. From here, you could refresh your skills in Alteryx Designer with courses on Build Your First Data Visualization with Alteryx, Alteryx Fundamental Tools Playbook, and Building Alteryx Apps and Macros. I hope you'll join me on this hands-on journey with the Alteryx Developer Tools Playbook course at Pluralsight.